how to use and make coffee on the hotel CV1 coffee maker. First of all, in the front there are slots, one for the coffee cup and one for the coffee grounds. You open up the container, take out the coffee grounds, slide in this thing the slot for the coffee grounds. On the top, add your water. Close the lid. On the bottom, there's the on button. Just turn on the machine. Once the water gets hot enough, it will start to drip into the tray that you just did in with the coffee pod, and will slowly drip into your cup. See it drip? Once you have your desired amount of coffee inside your coffee cup, all you do is turn it off. If you still don't have enough of desired coffee, just keep adding water into your reservoir. And that's it. That's how you use the CV1 coffee maker inside your hotel room.